Introduction. Anything that has mass and volume is matter. Matter is also defined as anything with the property of inertia. All of the solids, liquids, and gases that you may encounter in your daily life would be classified as some type of matter. You are familiar with the taxonomy of living things from biology. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand the difference between elements, compounds, and mixtures, know about the properties of solution, understand the difference between suspension and colloidal solution, understand the concept of separating two miscible and two immiscible liquids, and understand the separation of components of air. Classification of matter. Substance. A substance is a material with a constant composition. This means that the substance is the same no matter where it is found. NaCl, H2O, Ne, CO2, and O2 are all substances because their composition will be the same no matter where you find them. All elements and all compounds are defined as substances. Elements. Elements are substances that are made up of only one type of atom. At this time, there are 113 known elements, most of which are metals. The symbols shown on the periodic table represent the known elements. Even atoms are made up of smaller particles, but they are not broken down by ordinary chemical means. Compounds and phase. Compounds. Compounds are substances that are made up of more than one type of atom. Water, for example, is made up of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen atoms. Table salt is made up of sodium and chlorine. Compounds differ from mixtures in that they are chemically combined. Unlike elements, compounds can be decomposed or broken down by simple chemical reactions. Phase. A phase is any region of a material that has its own set of properties. In a chocolate chip cookie, the dough and the chips have different properties. Therefore, they represent separate phases. Pure gold, which is an element, would only contain one phase. Italian dressing would clearly represent several phases.